I want to do even better with you, right? So here's another important point. When we draw the mamelones, we must hold the model with the cutting edge towards ourselves. Only then can we see them. For ceramists, when we apply the mass, it is more convenient to hold the model upside down. We won't be able to draw the mamelones if we hold the model upside down. We won't see it. Therefore, we draw it as we will see it in the oral cavity. So, the first thing we basically create is the transparency. Essentially, it's crucial for the process, indeed. We create the transparency using transtorm in our process and precision to ensure clarity and accuracy in every step. I apply it according to the rules we just discussed in detail. If it is the central part of the tooth, then it is only the incisal third, which is the top third. The proximal surfaces are almost up to the equator, which is the widest part. If our task is not to create pronounced mamelones and a pronounced transparent cutting edge, we can stop here, as there is no need for further refinement or additional steps to achieve the desired outcome. The doctor doesn't want it, the patient doesn't want it, mamelones and strong transparency. Our task is to mimic the enamel. Here we have imitated it a bit. Basically, that's it. We could stop here. But I will show you further so that you know how. We first imitated the enamel in a detailed and thorough manner, carefully and meticulously. Next, we proceed to the mamelon step by step. I take a thinner brush, S4. I carefully take the mamelon mass, which you will have in the second compartment, and use it. And with these dots, I first carefully and precisely place points on the cutting edge, not quite reaching the cutting edge. 1, 2, and 3. We have 3 mamelons. And then I kind of stretch them so they smoothly and seamlessly blend with the thickness of the tooth. Right now they might also be slightly hard to see, resisted. The mamelons are indeed very distinctly and clearly visible, and easily visible in the background, in contrast. When we add transcobalt, our mamelons will be visualized in a manner that is precisely and clearly exactly as we need. First, I simply created the appearance of these mamelons. Now I take the transcobalt, which is a more intense blue. I also use a very fine brush. Now, in this step, I will create a highly detailed and intricate 3D effect of the transparent and intricate cutting edge. That is, in some places, I will make the cutting edge more transparent, and immediately my mamelons will be visualized better. And also, it will look significantly more natural and aesthetically pleasing, blending seamlessly with its surroundings and enhancing the overall visual appeal. This is if we need to create a transparent cutting edge. Now I clearly understand where I want to make the mamelons more pronounced and where to make them less pronounced and precisely. Now I can adjust them this way because I can already see and understand the areas on the contrast. Of course, it is essential to have a picture in front of you. I will also send you a few examples of real teeth in the chat. You can choose and try to replicate, try to imitate. How can we tell if we haven't overdone it? Mamelons are always visible, as clearly as you see them now, appearing large on the screen.